Today I will be trying the imfrom scrub mask and giving a review on what my thoughts are. Initially, when Wishtrend were going to release a new fig line collection, I knew this was the first thing I wanted to try, so I managed to buy this on Tonic 15 when it just released. I will put the link down in the description box below. So this mask contains 1.2% fig powder and black sugar. This helps to gently remove dead skin cells for a clear skin. Because it's a double exfoliator, it softly dissolves dead skin cells, while the black sugar within the scrub will help with removing impurities and to give you a glowing complexion. As it is a scrub mask, it is generally recommended to be used after the first step of cleansing and before getting into your skincare routine. This will help to cleanse and purify the skin so that your next skincare steps with active ingredients and hydrants can better reach the deeper layers of the skin. As I put some of the scrub onto my hands, you can see the texture of the scrub is dense and thick at first, but once you spread it out, there's a lot of fine sugar granules and feels a bit sticky. So using my silicone facial brush, I am going to apply some of the mask onto my face gently, and surprisingly you don't need a lot of product, as I'm just going to spread this out gently and slowly till all the parts of my face are completely covered. And it says on the instructions you can leave the mask on between 10 to 15 minutes, so I decided that I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes. As this scrub mask contains fig possesses high polyphenols, omega fatty acids and vitamins such as vitamin A, B1 and B2. So because of this is why figs are prominently known for their significant antioxidant properties. Containing figs is a source of antioxidants, enhances skin's hydration, so this prevents water loss, fades dark spots, helps to improve skin tone and calms skin redness. I'm going to wait and let this sit for 15 minutes before I wash it off with warm water. The product is slightly scented and has a sweet and fruity fragrance. To me personally, I don't mind the smell and I don't find it overpowering, but for others it might be unbearable, so that's something that I will keep in mind if you decide to try this product out for yourself. For me personally, this scrub mask gives me the right amount of exfoliation that I need without stripping my skin, and it leaves my skin feeling moisturized to me, and it does not feel abrasive on my skin, as when you start washing the mask it starts to emulsify and turns into a milky texture, and the scrub starts to soften up without having you to scrub too much. Overall, I'm quite surprised how it's quite hydrating and my skin feels quite soft afterwards, because with using scrub masks they tend to dry out my skin quite a lot. That I prefer more of a chemical exfoliation rather than a physical exfoliation. Personally, I wouldn't want to use this mask often, but probably every 2 weeks when my skin needs a pick-me-up, especially when my skin feels... I like the fact that it's really gentle, and so far I have not had any irritation on my skin or any bad reaction. So I liked how it made my skin felt clean and refreshed. My skin never felt super soft and radiant before. I will definitely see myself using this mask again whenever my skin just needs the extra boost.